Hello friends, Relativity Space fired up their first Aeon R engine this week at NASA Stennis R complex, kicking off the beginning of fully integrated engine test campaign. Completing a 10-second hot fire, the test served to validate how components work together as a system during startup at target power of 70% and shutdown. Initial hardware inspection indicate good health, giving the crew the confidence to proceed with longer and more powerful hot fires. Relativity Space thanks all the team's hard work spanning testing, design analysis, manufacturing, integration, supply chain, and recruiting.